All sealing profiles are delivered as corner vulcanized gaskets tailor-made for the individual segments. Segments and gaskets have to be kept dry and free from dust, grease or oil residue. The adhesive should be stored at a temperature between 59 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The adhesive has to be stirred constantly during installation. The adhesive pails have to be kept covered in order to avoid vaporizing of solvents and forming a skin on the surface. Some hours prior to installation, it is recommended to unpack and keep the gaskets in a position that the side lengths are straight and relaxed. Groove cleaning. The groove has to be dry and free from dust and grease or oil residue. Applying of adhesive. The adhesive has to be applied with a brush. It has to be applied into the groove and onto the gasket areas which have contact to the groove. The adhesive should be applied evenly into the groove and onto the gasket. Procedure of gasket installation. The gasket has to be installed after the adhesive is tacky. The installation should be done by 2 workers. First, place corners and short side of the gaskets into the groove. Then, place the long side of the gasket into the groove, always working from the center towards the corners. Press the gasket into the groove. The gasket should be pressed into the groove. This should be done simultaneously by each worker. The gasket should be placed in the correct position with the first attempt. Later corrections should be avoided. Fixation of gasket in the groove. The gasket will be pressed into the groove with a rubber mallet. Control. After the installation of each gasket, the position of the corner should be controlled. The gasket corner should be in line with the segment corner. Also, the correct positioning of the complete gasket in the groove should be checked. After 3 days of storage, the bonding will reach its maximum strength.